Hi guys, welcome back to Crazy About Cats. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple magic ring. So you need a hook and some yarn. So you have the end of your yarn and you hold your hand like this. You just lay it on your hand like that. And then you hold your yarn like that and you loop over and you do it like that. So it looks like an X. And you go through the bottom one, you grab it, and then you pull through, and then a twirly thing, and then you have the other hook and pull through. And there we go. So let's do that again. You have your hand like this, and the yarn, you're gonna pull over, and then over again, so it makes an X, and the other one you put the hook under. You flip your hook, and the top one you pull through, and it looks twisty. And the top left corner one you put it under and pull through. And normally the tail I just pull out so I don't mix it up, like when you're working into it. And I hope you find this tutorial very easy. Thanks for watching. Bye.